Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Garcia. We're still talking about units of measurement, and today we're going to be focusing on the metric system of measurement. You guys are familiar with this. This is the reference material that you get in the STAAR test, and they give you the conversions here. They say, okay, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, or 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, etc. So you don't have to memorize all this stuff. It's going to be there for you to use as you need it. So if they are posing a problem and they're asking you how many kilometers are in a certain number of meters, then we need to figure out what's happening. How does 1 kilometer turn into 1,000 meters? Well, it's multiplication, right? 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. Or in the case of meters, 100 centimeters are in a meter. So 1 times 100 equals 100 centimeters. Got it? All right, so let's go ahead and give this a shot and see if we can figure out some of these problems. All right, so this one says Mrs. Taylor wants to pour 8 quarts of juice into 16 glasses. Each glass holds 1 pint. Does Mrs. Taylor have enough juice to fill 16 glasses? So we need to know how many pints are in a quart. Okay, so we go and we look at our reference material and we see that 1 quart equals 2 pints. So 2 pints are in every quart, and this is going to help us answer our question. So Mrs. Taylor wants to pour 8 quarts of juice into 16 glasses, and each glass holds 1 pint. Does she have enough juice to fill 16 glasses? Okay, so we know that there are 2 pints in 1 quart, and that 1 times 2 is 2. So 8 quarts times 2 pints is going to give us 16 pints. She has 16 glasses. We know that each glass holds 1 pint. So does she have enough glasses? Yes. Mrs. Taylor has enough glasses. She has the exact number that she needed, right? If each of those 16 glasses holds 1 pint, and there are 16 pints of juice. So we're going to look at these answer choices. Obviously it's not A or B because we decided that yes, she does have enough. But they want to know why. Is it because there are 2 pints in 1 quart, and 2 times 8 quarts is 16 pints? Or is it because there are 2 pints in 1 quart, and 8 divided by 2 equals 4? Right, it's C. We figured it out by multiplying the 2 pints times the 8 quarts. That gives us 16 pints. Good. Okay, let's do one more. Fernando's car weighs 2 tons. Keith's car weighs 3,285 pounds. What is the difference between these 2 weights in pounds? Okay, so they're giving us tons for Fernando's car. We need to go find out how many pounds are in a ton. Okay, 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So if 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, then 2 tons is 4,000 pounds, right? So if I know that 1 ton is 2,000 pounds and Fernando's truck is 2 tons, then his truck is 4,000 pounds. 2 times 2,000 is 4,000, right? Okay, now we're supposed to find the difference, so that means subtraction. 4,000 minus the 3,285 pounds, that's Keith's truck. Okay, so we have Fernando's truck at 4,000 pounds, and we're going to subtract the 3,285 pounds, that is Keith's truck. Okay. I can't take 5 out of 0. I'm going to have to go all the way over here to borrow. So instead of this reading 400, it's going to be 399. And I'm going to add 10 to this 0 right here. So now I have 10 minus 5, which I can do. All right, so that's 5. Then 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 2, 7. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So the difference is 715 pounds. All right, so that's going to go right here, 715. Okay, there's nothing in the thousands place. I can leave it blank, or I can put a 0 here. Fill in the bubbles. This is the hundreds place. We have 7 hundreds. We have 1 10 and 5 ones. And we don't have any hundredths. We don't have any tenths, so we can just leave those blank. All right, we are all done with that. Let's do some guided practice.